Hindi pa tapos ang
Hindi pa tapos!
Tuloy ang magandang musika. Ito pa ang pangatlong lalaban.
King Siren ng San Ildefonso, Louie Anguilla. Will she take on the challenge? The battle begins in Just Do It.
Si Louie Ann, one of the youngest in the competition at 18 years old. Louie Ann, mas mahirap ba maging huli?
Medyo po kasi, di ba narinig ko na po yung mga naunang kumanta sa akin, kaya medyo nakakakaba.
Don't be
Ang gagaling.
nervous. You'll do well. Okay
Don't
lang
worry,
yan.
you use that to fuel your, your talent.
Correct.
Apo.
O, Luyan. O, ito na ang inyong song. Please reveal the song, Magic Screen.
And I am telling you, mga Dabarkads, please welcome
Di ba?
back.
Kaya ba?
Kaya ba?
Kaya ba?
Bahala na si Bakit.
Yeah!
Si Ima, hindi natin tinatanong, di ba? Pangatlong song number na niya to. Welcome back mga Dabarkads, ang Teen Siren ng San Ildefonso, Luyan Culala with Miss Ima Castro. Once again, good luck and remember, Luyan,
Just do it.
And I am telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, there's no way. No, 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 no way of living without you. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying, and you, you're gonna love me. You're gonna love me. And I am telling you, I'm not going, even though the rough times are showing. There's no way. We're part of the same place. We're part of the same time. We both share the same blood. We both have the same mind. We've had so much to share. No, 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 no. I'm not waking up tomorrow morning and finding that there's nobody there. 'Cause darling, there's no way. No, 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 no way. I'm living without you.
gotta catch my breath. Thank you, Ima, and of course,
Oh my gosh,
Louie
Eva,
Ann.
thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Louie Ann, fantastic performance as well. Let's hear our judges' comments at this point. Aisel, you go first.
Ate Ima,
Go, girl.
Ate
kaya
Ima,
mo
may
yan.
isa pa daw.
May isa mo?
From the top down.
From the top pa.
Hindi, Ate Ima, thank you.
Ay, naku, thank you.
Grabe, salamat po sa inyo.
Palagi akong nag-enjoy pag nandito ako sa Itbulaga, sa Just Do It especially.
At sinulit-sulit naman po
Tuloy na
namin.
namin.
That's fine, anytime. Basta hanggang 3 lang ha.
Bawal umapat. And thank you, Ate Ima, for your amazing talent for sharing it to us. And sa ating tatlong naggagandahan at naggagaling ang mga dilag. Congratulations! Ano ko ba sasabihin ito? Okay. May isa sa inyo na nakitaan ko na talagang nakipag-duet siya. Okay? Kasi nakita kong nag-alalayan sila ni Ate Ima. Meron naman konti nakalimutan niya na hindi to solo. So, importante yon, lagi natin pinapaalala. So, yung individually, ang gagaling ng inyong boses, but this is Just Do It. So, you have to be reminded that you should sing together.
Yun yung connection na
Yes.
pinili ni
Yes.
Ima.
Yes.
Thank you, Aisel.
Well said, Aisel. Mr. Vince De Jesus. Vince?
Naglaga ng tonsil ko sa... like Aisel, no, individually you're vocally gifted. Importante talaga yung nakatingin kayo sa mata ng kaduet eh. Pagbubukas na yung kaduet, no, and then you tone down. Of course, you're singing with a partner. Tsaka tsambahan rin talaga ko yung kantang pumunta sa inyo. Some songs are easier to sing together.
Ano mo, Vince, tama ka dyan, It plays a very big part.
Kasi like, you have long notes, it's easier to, find your harmony. Pero pag mabilis, tsambahan lang talaga. But then again, well, this is such is life. But congratulations.
Atara. Such is life. Thank you very much, Vince. But yeah, that is the way the game is played because of Just Do It. Thank you, Vince.
Let's hear from Miss Sushi Reyes.
Yes. And the winner is Ima Castro.
Yan!
Always naman po yan.
Always. Well, kasi yun nga, pag nagduduet, there's that delicate balance na mag-shine ka and yet not overpower your partner, no? So, kailangan ma-achieve mo yung balance na yon. And there are other ways of duetting na hindi kailangan harmony lang always. Pwedeng sagutan. There are plenty of of places in the song, may spaces doon na pwedeng sumagot ka instead of just doing harmony. So, kailangan, aralin mo rin yung song ng mabuti para masingitan mo siya ng mga ganong creative na ways to do it, no? But overall, still it's impressive and really, kuminsan yung voice quality mo medyo it takes a second place pag nagduduet ka. So, mas importante talaga yung you work as a team with your partner.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sushi.
Sushi.
Great pointers for our contestants here. And Nina, our soul siren. Your thoughts?
And my 100 point goes to Miss Ima Castro. Anyway, we all know na powerhouse voice ang meron si Miss Ima Castro. So, kung yung boses mo medyo maliit, kailangan mo mag-adjust sa voice ni Miss Ima Castro. And important talaga ang eye contact sa duet eh. Hindi yung parang, kaya nga duet kayo so dalawa kayo. So, talagang kailangan eye contact para alalayan yung isa't isa. At saka importante, pag nagduduet, titingin ka sa bibig nung kaduet mo para alam mo kung kailan siya bubuka, alam mo kung kailan niya ilalabas yung note or yung lyric. And lahat kayong tatlo, sobrang galing nyo. But for me, magiging isang magaling na singer ka pag talagang may nakaduet ka na hindi mo katipo yung boses pero talagang swak kayo. So, there you go.
Thank you, Nina. Thank you, judges. Pwede nyo nang ilagay ang boto ninyo sa ating ballot box.
Alright, go ahead, judges. Yan ang pakilagay sa ating mga balota. Alright, the judges have sealed their votes.
Isasama na natin yan sa iba pang mga results noong mga nakaraang araw.
Ngayon, sino kaya kina Lian, Layumas, Alisa Bonaobra at Louie Ann Colala ang papasok sa ating championship?
Sa Sabado, malalaman kung sino-sino ang mga finalists na pasok sa ating championship round. Abangan nyo yan, mga Dabarkads.
Thank you very much, ladies. Susunod na ang mga batang cute at matalino sa Classroom Superstar.
Sa pagbabalik yan ng
Bulaga!